We're celebrating National Sewing Month with SEWtemeber 2018, so stay tuned! Hello and welcome. I'm Akram and you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. In this special episode of Akram's Ideas, I'm here to announce the SEWtemeber 2018 SewAlong Challenge. Now, if you're unaware, September is National Sewing Month. It was designated National Sewing Month back in 1982 by President Ronald Reagan, and it was organized by the American Sewing Guild to get people involved in the hobby of sewing. So with that said, myself, along with some other amazing vloggers, have decided to get you encouraged to start sewing. So whether you're a beginner sewer or someone getting back into sewing, we want to help you get sewing in the month of September. To see more episodes like this, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. So, to encourage you to get sewing, we've put together a series of sew-along videos for several free patterns that are available online. So it costs nothing to download these patterns and get started. The sew-along videos are designed to help you follow along and make the pattern. And we're going to be releasing one video every week as part of the sew-along challenge. So basically, who's all on the schedule and what will we be sewing? First off, myself, Akram from Akram's Ideas, will be sewing the Orla dress from French Navy Patterns. That sew-along video set will be up on September 8th, so next Saturday. The following week, Fanny from So Many Fabrics will be sewing the ruffle top from Peppermint magazine, and that video will be up on September 14th. The next vlogger on our list is Karina from Lifting Pins and Needles, and she will be sewing the Lindy petal skirt from Itch to Stitch, and that sew-along will be out on September 19th. Followed by that is Elizabeth from Elizabeth Made This, and she will be sewing the Acacia panties from Megan Nielsen, and that video is scheduled for September 23rd. And to wrap it all up will be Natita from Natural Dane, who will be sewing the plantain tee from Deer and Doe. And that video sew-along will be posted on September 30th. So what fun is a sew-along challenge if there's not some prizes to go along with it? So what we're encouraging you guys to do is to follow our sew-alongs, and if you make any one of the patterns that we shared in any one of our sew-alongs, share it on Instagram between September 8th and October 13th with the hashtag SEWtemeber 2018. And at random, we're going to pick two winners. So again, if you sew any one of the patterns from the sew-alongs, any one of the sew-alongs that I've mentioned here, and you use the hashtag SEWtemeber 2018, you get entered in a chance to win one of two of these lovely prizes. So the first prize is this little prize pack here that includes a lovely little thread bowl that doubles as a pin cushion. And since it is autumn, I've chose some autumn tones for you guys. This is 2 yards of this lovely maroon, sort of a paisley print. So the second prize pack includes this lovely standing or hanging thread rack that holds approximately 60 spools of your standard size thread. Along with that rack, you get this beautiful autumn-toned floral cotton print. Again, another 2 yards. As I said before, this Sew Along challenge starts on September 8th when the first Sew Along debuts in this series, and you have until October 13th to share one of your makes from one of the different Sew Alongs with the hashtag SEWtemeber 2018. Now, I have the full details in the description below regarding the schedule and links to all the lovely vloggers participating in the SEWtemeber 2018 Sew Along. So, I hope you guys will join in the fun and start sewing. Whether you're beginner or just getting back in, we hope that these Sew Alongs will encourage you to enjoy sewing all month long. Thanks for watching!
I'm here to announce. Yes. Okay. Tulip skirt. Is that right? Okay, let's do it again. Alright. Let's do it all over again. Alright,